Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie from the MK Show, and I just wanted to tell you about a few things. First off, please subscribe to our channel, because, everybody wants more subscribers, and plus, if you do, we're going to put your name into a hat, and you might get 3 subscribers to your channel. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff. And so, the other one is, we're gonna let our viewers decide. So you guys can decide, what do you want to see on the next MK Show? Okay? That means, we could do whatever you guys want us to do. Just comment on either me or Caitlin's video, or send us a personal message, comment on the channel. It really doesn't matter. So, we're just comment and tell us what you want to see, and on the show we're gonna announce the winner, and we're gonna announce what we're gonna do. Well, you guys are gonna see what we're gonna do. So, alright, well, thanks a lot for listening. Bye. Oh, sorry, I forgot something. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks, bye.